Hi everyone, welcome to Beauty First in 10. If you're new here, hi, my name is Debbie and I'm so happy to see you on my channel. And today we're doing an unboxing of this. Yes, that says Dior. I am so excited by this bag. There's a company, their name is Dodotop.ru, and they have high quality replica bags, and that's where I found this bag. It's so nice though because it still comes in the Dior box. We're gonna see how it's packaged inside, but I have been looking for this bag for a very long time, and they had it on their website, and they were kind enough to partner with me on this video. Let's dive in and see what this looks like. This bag I have dreamed about. I look everywhere for it. Now, can I buy this bag on Dior's website? Yes. Can I afford to buy this bag on Dior's website? I certainly cannot. Let's see what we've got here. All right, so first of all, it comes in this nice box. This says Dior on it. And this is like, I'll bring it in so you can kind of see it. It's got like sort of a pebbled material. All right, let's see. Yes, no, yes. This side. Oh, there we go. All right, let's see. Oh, look, it's got the nice wrapping. It says Dior. This is so great. Oh my goodness. This is just so fabulous. Let's take this bag out. All right, here. So it comes in this nice dust bag, so that is really nice as well. And it's got a little card here, so it just tells you, kind of the bag and what the number is. And then we've got a little card. This is so cute. Let's see. Oh, this is the Dior, so this would be your how to take care of the bag, so a care manual. That's great. And then they also included, this is like almost like a bag charm. You kind of tie it in the bag. It's like a scarf for your bag. That's also included too. I'll bring that in. Wow, that's so great. So exciting. All right, let's look at this bag. And I went with pink. I'm having a lot of pink moments in my life right now. I went with this pink one. Oh my gosh, I love this bag so much. I have seen it so many times, and they often do replicas of this bag. I've seen it in New York City and other things, but this is done super well. So bring this in, and I'll also put some photos of the original bag. Really, I cannot tell the difference. This bag, so let's go ahead and take these off so you can see the handles on this. Wow, this is crazy. So this bag, if you were buying this bag normally on the Dior website, this would cost $3,500. And this bag was $365. So, a little bit more affordable, kind of more in line with my budget overall. I'll bring this in real close so you can see this tiger here. I love animals. This is so great for me. And then I think this is a spider monkey here. And then if you go to the back side, you've got, kind of the bigger print without the Dior on it. And then inside, let's take a look here. So let's pop this out. It's kind of bent down from shipping. All right, there we go. All right, on the inside here, this is actually very similar to the Dior. So you can see it's got the Dior tag there, so no one will know that you didn't buy this from Dior. And this bag is about the same size. So there was just a slight difference in measurements between the actual Dior bag and this one. I think it's just off by 1 centimeter in the bag, but this is so great. So let's go ahead and also tie on this little charm. There's a Louis Vuitton bag that is just amazing on this website that I also saw that I think I'm going to go back and also grab. Oh, this is so fun. Oh my goodness. I just can't believe that you can get this bag and this quality. Like, this is fantastic. I'm blown away. I hadn't ever heard of this site, and then a friend of mine told me about this, and I was looking into it, and then they contacted me, and I was like, well, this is very convenient because I was about to look you up. And actually, some of you, my subscribers, also on some of my other purse unboxings, you had mentioned this website, and that's kind of how I started looking it up to begin with. But oh my gosh, you got the bag charm here, and you come with the dust bag, which not all bags come with dust bag. Even some of my key bags don't come with that. So this is just fantastic. So I will link this bag as well as some of the information for you to check out. Dodotop has a lot of fantastic bags, but they're all kind of high end. So it's got Gucci, Louis Vuitton, obviously it's got Dior. So some of like the bigger name bags are going to be on there, and it's a great opportunity to really kind of get one of these investment pieces without actually having to break the bank, right? Because I just can't justify $3,500 for a handbag. I mean, I love handbags, don't get me wrong, but like, that's just not in my budget wheelhouse. So this is just perfect. Again, I'm in a very pink moment, so this is just fitting with all of my spring motif that I'm going for, which is kind of this pale, icy pink. Just love this. And, definitely check it out. I'm really pleasantly surprised. Being a replica, I wasn't really sure like what the quality was going to be and whether, it was going to be close. This is fantastic. I mean, the detailing, even like some of the stitching on the side here, I mean, there's really no difference. I mean, you can see kind of the quality of the embroidery there. This is just so fantastic. I think this is a great little company, and this is a great way to get a nice bag without having to break the bank. I hope everyone has a great day and happy shopping.